guys, what's up? In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY aesthetic stickers. These are super duper fun to make, and I really like making them because you can get super creative with your designs and you can use any design. My friend Shannon, she taught me how to make these stickers, and ever since she taught me, I've been obsessed with making several stickers. You can make big ones, small ones, any size you want. They're super fun and I can't wait to share them with you. So if you want to learn how to make DIY aesthetic stickers, keep on watching. So what you want to do is you want to have your images in your document and you want to print them out. So once you have your images printed out, you want to cut your images out. So once you have your images cut out, you want to get wax paper and get a sheet from the wax paper.
It's not for me to say.
Now you want to take some tape and get a long enough piece to fit some of your images.
It's not for me to say.
Now what you want to do is take your piece of tape and tape it onto the wax paper. Now what you want to do is you want to lay your images on the tape and make sure they're not right at the end. Make sure they're right in the center of the middle of the tape. Now take some more tape and lay it on top of that piece of tape with your images laid on top.
It's not for me to say.
So as you can see, I'm just going to lay it on top of the images and the tape. Now what you want to do is you want to cut it out. Make sure when you're cutting not to cut right on the image's line. Make sure to leave about 1 centimeter of wax paper between the image. You can cut on the line, but it'll make it extremely difficult to peel off the wax paper later on.
It's not for me to say. You love.
So how you remove the wax paper to release the stickiness is you put your fingernail in between the wax paper and the image and you rub it across the wax paper and it'll start to peel off. Then take that peel and peel it and it'll just remove the entire wax paper. So now you have the stickiness. These stickers turned out super nice and I love them. So you can stick these stickers anywhere. I decided to stick mine on the back of my phone case. You can also stick your stickers on your bicycle, and you can basically stick them anywhere you like. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you made a sticker, let me know in the comments below. And I'm really excited for you guys to make. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.